How to rotate your screen with hotkeys. Some PCs have hotkeys that quickly rotate the screen when pressed. These are provided by the Intel graphics drivers, and are only enabled on some PCs. If your PC's display suddenly rotated while you were pressing something on the keyboard, you probably triggered the hotkey accidentally. To rotate your screen with hotkeys, press Ctrl+Alt Arrow. For example, Ctrl+Alt+Up Arrow returns your screen to its normal upright rotation. Ctrl+Alt+Right Arrow rotates your screen 90 degrees. Ctrl+Alt+Down Arrow flips it upside down 180 degrees, and Ctrl+Alt+Left Arrow rotates it 270 degrees. You can change these hotkeys or disable them, if you want, using the Hotkey Manager tool in the Intel Graphics control panel on your PC. Click Options, and then head to Support greater than Hotkey Manager. If you don't see the Intel Graphics Settings tool on your PC, you probably aren't using Intel Graphics. If you don't see the screen rotation shortcuts on the Hotkey Manager screen, they aren't available on your PC. Please subscribe the channel for next video.